Alright you guys, today we're going to take a look at the latest update in Photoshop Beta, which is the rotate tool. And this is not all kind of a rotate tool, but it's an AI 360 3D rotate tool, which I think so far is the craziest update from Adobe. So let's take a look. Also, you're going to need to update your Photoshop Beta. So for that, you're going to need to go to Adobe Creative Cloud. Let's go to Home. And here at the right side of the menu, you can see this update button. Click on it. And then you're going to need to search for Photoshop Beta. And let's go and click on Update. Close Photoshop, relaunch Photoshop Beta, and let's start. Alright, so I'm going to go with this model as a reference. Now here, I also going to need the version with the background only without the model. So what I'm going to do is select the Remove tool. And let's go and select the model. And click on the checkbox. So there you go. You also can remove the rest of the parts as well. For example, these imperfections. And then I'm going to select the layer with the subject, press Ctrl J to duplicate, bring it on the top. And here, all you need to do is press Ctrl T to transform. And check this out. Here we got the new tool, the rotate object. Click on it. And here we're going to need to load again. And as you can see, it's going to look really bad. Now, don't worry about it. This is just a preview. And with this little button, you can rotate it up or down. And then you also got another handle here down, which you can basically rotate left or right. It's pretty crazy. And then you also can modify the perspective if you want. If you decrease it, it is going to distort it. And check this out. How crazy is the distortion? So anyways, let's put her in a specific position. And all you need to do is click on Done. And let's see. So this is the new one versus the original. So this is pretty interesting. It actually is pretty similar to the original. I mean, I think it did a pretty good job. Of course, it's not perfect like an original photo manipulation, but it is something. So anyways, you also can add the drop shadows with the harmonize and match the colors. Click on the harmonize and let's see what happens. What? Now I received the pop-up window. Slow down. We can't wait to generate more content for you. You can try again in a few hours. I don't think I can wait until that. I can try one more time. And now it finally worked. We got some drop shadows. You also can change up the drop shadow with other drop shadows or try some new ones. I mean, it's not that bad, not the best either, but it's just beta. So pretty much that's it. Try it out yourself and let me know what you think. Bye.